Hi, everyone. I hope you are all doing well and that you're staying healthy and hopefully able to stay home as much as possible. I wanted to hop on here and show you the updates to the course because I know that it's different than when we meet in person. So, the first thing I wanted to show you is where I'm putting all of the information here. So if you go to assignments, well, first of all, I sent this out last week, but I sent you out a lot of stuff last week. So if you go back to this post here that I posted last Monday, it has the link to the module. So every week I will post modules for the week. So this is the week of March 16th. The work in here is due on Tuesday whenever you would have class. So if you're in my 11 o'clock class, it's due at 11. If you're in my 12:30 class, it's due at 12:30. So I'm in the particular section for my 12:30 class. So I'll always start with the learning objectives, the things that I want you to be able to do. And then the next thing here is the Learn Smart activity. So make sure that you complete the Learn Smart. Then there's a history of education activity. So this is due tomorrow. It's 100 points. Here, if you click there, you'll access the whole document. I don't know why I said meant. Here it is. So you're going to walk through all of these parts and you can type your answers right into this document and then, well, you can do file, make a copy of it, and then share it back with me and just put the the link in the document box or whatever if you want to do that. You can also copy and paste everything in there. Either way is fine. But anyway, you're going to go through this and you're going to read it. I put the directions for each thing, the different parts, what I'm looking for, what you need to be having in there. So you're going to go through and complete all of this information. Okay, that's the first assignment. If you should have you should have Learn Smart by now, and you can use your textbook to help you with that assignment. You can also use Google, or use the internet to help you find stuff. So you can do that there. And then you have a history of ed quiz, which is also on Connect. So you need to have the textbook by this point to be able to do this stuff. So instead of doing the portfolio, we will go to shift to a point-based system because I will not see you most likely for the remainder of the semester. So if by some chance we do get to go back to school, then we can absolutely shift back to our portfolio system. But I won't make you go back through and like put stuff in the portfolio for this time that we're out of class. But let's assume at this point that we won't be back together and that we will stay in this particular system. So it becomes really important that you complete the activities in each of the modules. So today I'm working on putting together your next module, which again, you'll find under assignments and it'll say week of March 23rd in there. Okay. I always accept late work, so it's not a problem if you submit something late. But if you submit a Connect activity or a quiz late, then you will need to send me a screenshot of your grade that shows the percentage so that I can update it in Blackboard. So just make sure that you do that, please. Other than that, I'll keep sending you announcements. The other thing that I wanted to tell you is that this Thursday at 11 a.m., we're going to have Ginny Fortucci. She is in Delaware and she works for the Delaware Department of Ed. And she is going to be talking about culturally responsive practice. And we cannot record her session because she works for the Department of Ed and charges for this session. So we're going to have her go live. So part of your assignments this week is going to be to join us at 11 o'clock this Thursday online in Zoom, and I will give you that information. And she wants to be able to see your faces. So you're going to have video and audio to be able to participate in the session. So just make sure that you're ready for that. Other than that, I think that's it. But you can see all of these in that announcement there. You can see all of these sessions. So we had some last week. So if you just click the recording, it'll take you to the recording of it. We had one on information literacy, STEM, And then this morning we had one on lesson planning, digital learning, and curriculum. This afternoon we're supposed to have another one, although I have not had that one confirmed, so I'm not 100% positive. And then tomorrow we'll be having grading practices, Wednesday family engagement, and then on Thursday, like I said, this is the Ginny Fortucci one. So you'll just use this link right here to log in at 11 o'clock. Okay. If you have any questions or there's anything I can do to help you, please do reach out to me and let me know. I'm happy to help in any way. Again, I hope you all are staying safe and healthy, and I look forward to hopefully seeing you all again soon. Take care.